so we've got these 6 trim pots set, and at this point you may have noticed that I actually have another trim pot on the circuit board over here. This is for the volume control. I'm not going to have an external volume control. I've got this set up internally. I've got a wire flying lead coming from the output pad here over to this trim pot, and the output is coming from here. So what I want to do is adjust this so that it comes close to matching the bypass level. And I'm going to do that again with my decibel meter on the computer. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is switch into bypass. Okay, that's the dry signal. Let me pan back up to the meter again so you can watch this. Zoom in. All right, I'm going to reset the meter again for good measure. And it looks like it's peaking out right there around minus 3.3 decibels. Okay, so that's what I want the signal going through the effect to be. Maybe a little bit higher, a little bit higher than unity gain. So I'm going to take it out of bypass, go back through the effect, and the regeneration contributes a lot to this. So I'm gonna turn the enhance control down to about 50%. Okay, and then I'm gonna reset my peak meter here, and let's see, what was I looking for? I forget. I'm gonna switch back to bypass. Okay. Looks like that's peaking at about minus 3.4 decibels now. Okay, back out of bypass, reset the meter. It's a little quiet, so I'm going to turn up the volume trim pot. Turning it up, and there we go. Okay, I might overshoot it a little bit. Yeah, I overshot it a little bit, but I think I do want a little bit more than unity volume. Let me reset the meter again. Okay, I think you get the idea. You don't need to stare at me making minuscule little adjustments here, but I just want this peak level here to match and possibly exceed a little bit what I had with the bypassed signal. That looks good. All right, so I think we're all set. Okay, we've made adjustments to each of the trim pots, got the minimum and maximum frequency set, adjusted the bias trim pot, adjusted the symmetry, set the delay level, okay, set the maximum amount of regeneration, and adjusted this onboard volume potentiometer that I added. I think we're all set to go. It sounded pretty good. I'm going to turn the speed down some and just listen to the sound of the sweep and see how it sounds. Sounds pretty good to me. I could probably make some little fine adjustments, fine tweaks. I'll leave that to you to tweak this to your liking. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have fun with it.